in Carlstadt, New Jersey. We have an office here in London. I'm the sales manager for the company. I'm going to be telling you about our PDS-750 TRX. PDS-750 TRX is we've been making a PDS-750, which is a power and data supply for 12 color kinetic CK-DMX 50-watt fixtures. This is a new version of it that incorporates more control and feedback functions than the earlier version had. Color Kinetics, of course, is coming out with their new Color Blast 12 TRX fixture. It is a 5 LED RGB AW fixture. This will be able to speak to that. It can also speak to the legacy fixtures. So it will be able to speak to 12 CK-DMX fixtures. It will have universal selectability in terms of the outputs. Starting on the face of it, you've got grill and ventilation. You've got a 2x16 character LCD screen and a 5-button user interface. Really, most of the activity is going to be on the back side of it. You can send it control in a number of different ways. You can control it with just wired DMX or RDM in, a 5-pin XLR in, 5-pin XLR out. You can send it to, each one of them has a Show DMX wireless DMX receiver built into it. Essentially, it's a fully compatible full receiver built into the device. So you can send it wireless DMX or RDM through that as well. You've got 2 EtherCon connectors. You can send it streaming DMX over ACN. You can send it ArtNet. You can send it KaiNet. It's got a 3-port managed Ethernet switch built into it, so that you can control the PDS-750 TRX from one universe. You can tell it it will be able to pass on the rest of the network, and you'll be able to tell it to output a different virtual DMX universe on the 5-pin XLR output. So if you have moving lights on the same pipe or something like that, you can address with that. By the same token, when you're using it in a wireless mode, you'll be able to output the same wireless DMX universe out of the 5-pin XLR as well. You have 12 4-pin XLR outputs for the CK-DMX gear, just like the old fixture. What's different about that is you can sequentially address all the outputs, or you can individually address outputs where you need them to be in terms of DMX slots. You can also output to any CK-DMX fixture, whether it be a 2-channel IW fixture, a 3-channel Color Blast 12 RGB fixture, or the 5-channel RGB AW fixture. You can output to them in either 8-bit or 16-bit, and it sequentially addresses, or you can, again, individually address it, so you are not wasting any of your DMX slots in the course of it. You have a USB port here as well. That's for firmware updates. We've changed to a PowerCon connector on it. It's got a self-sensing switching power supply, 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. It is ETL, CETL, CE certified, FCC approved for the antenna, of course, as well. Another feature to it that's new in this version is we have put the ears on it. You've got 3 1032 screws that can mount it either in a pipe mount configuration with a safety cable hook on the safety cable hole on the back of it, or you can switch it around, put it into a rack mount configuration. It'll take a 3U rack height. The only thing you'd need to do in that case would be remove the rubber feet that are on the bottom of it. What makes it innovative is that more control, configuration, and feedback properties in one package than we've seen before. That's the PDS-750 TRX fixture. Any questions? Mr. Sapsis.
How much?
How much? A little bit more than our the last one, but the price is not set yet. We're still working on that. So in the realm of $2,400, in that kind of a realm. The list price.
How many DMX channels does it handle then? How many DMX channels does it have? Can it handle? One universe? Or?
It'll handle a single universe, that's right.
And the wireless DMX, that's on which frequency?
It's 2.4 gigahertz. It's the ISM bandwidth, And it's Show DMX, it's our own wireless DMX system. It was that easy. Did that keep you awake? Very good. Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate it.